Hello everybody, I am Aryagiri Joshi from SMS English Medium School Karad. So I am presenting to you my idea which may be useful for measuring carbon footprint. The name of my idea is Carbon Solutions. Let's breathe freely. So we will see what is carbon footprinting. Basically, it is the amount of CO2 gas produced by a particular human activity, and it is usually measured as tons of CO2 emitted per year. Now, what are the sources of carbon footprinting? So the given pie chart is the total US greenhouse emissions by economic sector in 2018. In this, electricity generation and transformation related activities which leads to increase in CO2 levels. This is the main source of carbon footprint, increase in carbon footprint. So now we will see what are the effects of carbon footprint. So there are many effects of carbon footprint that they cause climate change. The climate is ultimate effect. The climate change is the ultimate effect of a large carbon footprint. Greenhouses, whether natural or human produced, contribute to the warming of the planet. Now we will see what are the solutions on the increase in the carbon footprint. So basically, the admirable and the traditional solution is planting and preserving the trees. We are listening this solution from many years ago. Now we will see what is my solution on this increase in the carbon footprint. So basically, this is my solution on the increasing level of the carbon footprint. Breathe easy, the application that can inform you about the level of CO2 around you. Now this is how my application will look. Basically, this is the app interface which will include the level of CO2 and humidity displayed in the ppm and percentage respectively. Risk factor is displayed too. The hourly update and post update of the level of CO2 humidity are displayed. Main features of the application is to breathe safely and easily. Now let's see how my application works. So this is the working of application, which will include the data area wise data collection of humidity and CO2 levels from OCO2 satellite from NASA. Data collected is categorized into three risk factor, mainly as high risk factor, low risk factor, and moderate risk factor. It notifies to wear the mask when the high risk factor is triggered. Remedies section it notifies the measures to uh, to decrease the level of CO2 in the air. Now we will talk about the users of this application. The application will have four main section: the industrialist section, the working people section, the school going children section, and the common people section. First, if the user is industrialist, this section will be including the amount of carbon dioxide emitted from the factory of the industrialist. According to the level of emission, the app will design the tasks, that is the measures which will be displayed in the section called remedies. The application will run on a simple principle, that is level of emissions is equal to number of points. For example, the industrialist had generated 2,000 points, then he or she has to plant at least 200 plants. If he or she scored 4,000 points, then he or she must set up solar panels, or they should use electric cars or public transports. Now, if the user is working people, this section will be including the level of CO2 emitted by the car used for traveling by the person. The app will calculate the points and he generated, and if he or she uses public transport, then the points will be reduced, and they will be get divided uh, among the passengers in the public transport. That is, if there are 10 passengers, and each of them and the total bus generates 1000 points, then each of them will have 100 points. This will and the number if the number is more, then the points will be also less. So if he scores 100 points, then he or she should plant at least two plants, which at least two plants, and they should use electric cars, which will be coming in market in few years, as Tesla company is going to launch some vehicles in India also. Third section is of the school going children. This section will be including the level of CO2 emitted by the vehicle he or she uses to go to school. The app will calculate the points he or she has generated, and the tasks will be generated accordingly. If he or she uses school bus, then the points will be reduced. For example, a child is going to school a child is going to school uh, by his or her private car and scores 30 points, then he should plant at least one plant. And if he is going by school bus, then the points will get divided as I have told it first. And the last section is about the common people. So this section will include the level of CO2 emitted by the common people by their garbage in their garbage, or by the sewage. Um, if they generate 100 points, then they should keep their surroundings clean and dispose their garbage carefully. So it has some special achievements, like if uh, a guy has scored 0 points in whole the month, that means he has disposed his garbage carefully, he has used the bicycle or electric vehicle, or he has traveled by public transport, then they will get a special achievement from this app. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thanks.